pretty much the home screen of the AI application. As you can see, a lot of AI templates which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much select the one that you want to use. Keep in mind, this application is full of ads. So as you can see, a lot of them which you can use. All you have to do is select the one that you want to use. Once you have done that, as you can see here, the ads will pretty much load. And once the ad is finished, tap on the X at the top here. And you'll be able to use or generate something similar. So all you have to do is generate prompt. You can do is pretty much copy the prompt that they have used, as you can see here, and give ChatGPT your image along with the prompt to be able to use or to create something very similar to this. So that's pretty much how you use this application here. It pretty much gives you prompt for these images that you see that it's providing. So that's how you basically use it. So very simple application to use, as you can see here. Not much. It's a very new application, but you guys can test it out and let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And some of them you may see pro subscription over it, as you can see here. But all you have to do is just tap on the crown icon here and be able to see your subscription prices and so forth. So that's really pretty much it. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you out.